I'd like to give a big shout out to all the referees out there, NSOs, all of our volunteers for helping us out. Without this, nothing would happen on time. So thank you guys.
We're getting the second half of this match underway. So, by the way, it is not a match. It is not a game. It is called a foul. OET foul. It's about time to get the second half underway. More down.
Can we get more cowbell on the stands? More cowbell?
Let's hear the cowbells.
We got the stands. More cowbell.
Oh, we got right down at the end. There's a cowbell down there.
Where's all the cowbells? Louder.
All right, we're going to start the next game. Coldwater Rockford 97.
The blue one wants her Coldwater. Pushing her shoulders back. She breaks out and she is the lead jammer. Don't forget to do what she wants to do. So she does.
I got a shout out to this Sydney Little Who. My daughter's better than your daughter.
Have you guys voted for your favorite Derby player?
Okay, Sydney, my grandkids are better than your grandkids.
We got Trixie getting the Floodwater. And don't forget the crowd guys, when that pack goes by, scream at them, cheer for them. They are working really hard out there. And don't forget, more cowbell. Need that. We got Slick Jake jamming for Locker, and Trixie jamming for Playwater. Slick Jake breaks through the back. She is looking at it. Alright guys, we still got our 50-50 raffle. We'll be trying it with 10 minutes left of our jam. 10 minutes left of our halftime. $5 next play, so it's not called 50-50 raffle, that's still going on.
Anybody got an update on the Warriors Cavaliers game?
We have not had a foul shot for a while, so feel free to run time on this out. We're only dominant. We'll see what you guys are running, so. Let's not bring out that people source guys. Only dollars, the choose the first skater.
Locker 131, Floodwater 140. 9 points is all that separates this game. Yeah, I'm getting underway, but it looks like we're playing comfort towers here. $9.35, 180, and it's 140, Rockford 131. We're waiting for the start of the next jam. Jammers in the front, or Penn State in the front, Blockers in the middle, Jammers in the back with the star on their helmet. Jams underway, and Jammers trying to make their way to the front. There goes Val Astro around the outside to get the re-jam.
That is Val Astro. She has been pushing in this game. Dear Christina, you're hot. Love, freestyle, hashtag, slam style.
cards for the outside. Let's go back to reform. You have to be able to make a clean pass through. There she goes! Of course, not stuck to the inside, but she is down. That Ashland beats her penalty tonight, and she is down on the dam right behind Oxford. After Jordan gets through right over the touch water. And it's back to shot, makes it through again. Time right along Gambler. We have a close dogfight here, cat fight, if you want to call it that. No, I don't know where the cats are about that. 17 minutes in the game. Grundwater, 155. Rockford, 152.
That's my sponsors, guys. And then give a big old thank you to Body Yoga, Celebrations, Live Salon, and Smooth Solutions. Everyone's on the board.
Good thing on the jam. Rockford Liberators. Comes around the inside, goes on the outside, back around the inside. Where the goal gets spin move. And she is still happy, going for more. And this is why Rockford Stadium scores short-handed. Nice shot out. Kelsey, you are the fans. Ringo, throw up on the wrist. Anderson is got Missile, throw up on Ringo. There's something going on between Missile and Ringo.
About 5 more minutes for that 50-50 raffle. About 5 more minutes for that 50-50 raffle, probably about 10 minutes to get it out. So, don't forget about that People's Choice. Only $1 to choose your favorite skater, and they will put trophies. This is called off.
Tied out called by the Floodwaters group for 14:37 to go in the game. Rockford picked up some major points on that jam. What's the score, other guy?
155 to 187.
No better co-announcer than the other guy.
Not the other guy. Alright guys, it's time for the 50-50 raffle. Get those cards out, guys. Time for that 50-50 raffle. Alright, so that 50-50 raffle. If you have a blue card, the blue card, it's a heart. It's the Three of Hearts. So if that is your 50-50 raffle ticket, come on down. Three of Hearts in the blue card.
All right, we're back in action here in this jam with 14:30 to go in the lead. Rockford ahead, 187, 155. One runner gets the lead camera out, that's Tipsy. Tipsy makes a play all over the third half, puts up some points, going around for another pass. We're still looking for the winner of the raffle ticket.
Who's the engineer now? Floodwater is not making it easy for her to go through.
$13.20 to go in the game, 187 Rockford, 170 Floodwater. 35 seconds to go in the jam. Rockford with two swimmers in Kelly down. Sorry about that other guy.
No worries. We have power game going on right now.
Roadhouse has come back. It's 187 to 180 with 12 minutes and 25 seconds to go in the game.
Another thanks to the Pond Yoga celebrations of this long and Swiss Solutions. Let's do the official timeout.
Let's hear it for both of these teams. If you had a good time out here, just say yeah. If you want to be a skater, say yeah. If you want my job as an announcer, say, oh no, I don't want that job. Hey, you got it. Hey, you gotta stick around. We got another ball game to do.
Oh, wow, I just heard the 50-50 raffle. So we're at the 50-50 raffle. Donated $40 to Floodwater Rotary.
Number 2 for Rockford is in the sin bin. If you don't know what the sin bin is, that is the penalty box. When you do something bad, you go to the penalty box, you feel for shame. They try to stick to the front of the foul on their elbow pad. pads, knee pads, wrist pads. That's what they do. Is we teach you how to fly, we teach you how to skate. Hopefully we teach you how to skate and how to fly. And we give you all the, tell you all the information that you gotta have to be able to get into this sport.
Yeah, look at that score. 185 to 187.
Did you ask for a close game with 12 minutes and 20 seconds to go? Slick Nick out on the jam for Rockford. About a half a round behind with Christie. Jam was cut off. 9:50 to go in the game. The Rockford 187. Floodwater 186. Floodwater scratching the pond, trying to get back in this game to take the lead again. Rockford Liberators doing the best they can to stay in the lead. The jam is on. Oh, Rockford has, let's be honest, out number 10, once in out there trying to make it through the back and start the jam.
You want Boston pushing and shoving out in front of the back. You want Boston makes it through.
Both guys right behind each other. It's going to be a switch. You'll get on the back first.
You want Monster calls it off before anyone scores 8 points.
The Floodwater Jammer may have been the one to call it off, but she was the lead jammer and called it off before the Rockford to give them their points. 8:45. There was no score on the jam. Still, Rockford 187, Floodwater 186. Cuts off the jam. How many points are there? Looks like it's points both ways. But it's still a 1-point game with 7:50 to go in the game. Rockford 190. Floodwater 189.
Can we give it up for our teams today? Give them a big hand. We're trying so hard out there. This is a neck and neck game.
Our teachers are announcing the earth for the Rockford Liberators. The other guy is announcing for the Floodwaters. Who do you like best? The other guy or Peaches? Give me a hand for Peaches. Give me a hand for the other guy.
Hey, Floodwater.
You don't want to be the one of us. All I heard was the cowbell. Is that what's supposed to be Sacramento? Is cowbell?
We love Cowbell in Sacramento.
And Michael Shaw is out on the jam. Now also out on the jam. 6:35 to go in the game. Rockford 195, Floodwater 193.
That's for flying through the path. Yeah, bounce shots.
She's back with some more bounce shots.
All right, here's our bounce shot. We got one right now. Here it says, "Come on, Floodwater, kill them!"
5 minutes and 40 seconds to go in this game. Let's give a big hand for the Zebra crew out there. How about a big hand for our NSOs, the ones you don't get to see. They are the penalty tractors, the giant tractors, the game planners, the scoreboard.
And also our sponsors out there, Body Yoga Celebrations, Lucas Swan, and Swiss Solutions. Thank you guys all your help today.
The Locker Raiders and the Floodwater Group team will give a special thanks to Football Stadium, and the staff at Foothill, and thank you for having us. To go in the game. Lockwood has come behind. 2-0 score. Fort Hill is taking the lead again. 2:05 to 2:04.
All right, Coldwater and Lockford back and forth all night long. It is a close game.
Floodwater 2:05. Lockwood Raiders 2:04.
It looks like after that hit, right out of the back, got actually convinced from the game. It was a smile on the face, so.
You're doing a great job, Sheriff Precious Girl. She gave one more card. Vote for your favorite player for People's Choice. $1. Bonnie Precious Girl. Favorite player. Bonnie Precious Girl. $1.
Oh, yeah. Bring it back up, so we can really do it.
3:15 is going to be.
Right now it's 2:10 Floodwater, Lockford is at 2:04.
Here's the call of the game. 3 minutes to go in the game.
3-minute play. It's coming down.
Now we got to change the score. Floodwater 2:14, Lockwood 2:04. 10 points with a little over 2 minutes and 45 seconds to go in the game. Shot she is drifted to the inside. She is straight apart. She's coming around again. 2-12 going game. And about the shot back there. Oh, she gets another scoring that.
And we're down to our last 2 minutes of regular time.
If you look at the clock, at the moment it's score is tied, 2-13. Perhaps got the shot, picks up some more points. 2-19, 2-13 for the Rockford. Here's the 25 of our regulation.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you are not on your feet, something is wrong. Everyone, get up on your feet, support your teams.
Like a shot, it's still right there, really hard. Bucket in the public station, going around, picking up more points. Minute 09 to go on the regulation. Walker 229, Clearwater 214. Yeah, take that off. 51 seconds on the clock. You got a timeout on the track. Timeout on the track with 51 seconds. Rockford 234. Floodwater 214. Should they be able to get this jam underway within the 51 seconds, it will go to full time, full 2 minutes, unless someone cuts it off earlier, time expires. We could be looking at the last jam of the night. No guarantees, it's not over until it's over.
Remember, not too late for the foul shots. Not too late for the foul shots. We also submit that People's Choice tonight for our best skater, our favorite skater for tonight. They will also get a trophy, so not too late for those guys. Before we end the match tonight, we'll thank you our sponsors for Fun Yoga, celebrations, making salon, and solutions. These girls are trying so hard tonight. It's a neck and neck game.
20 points. 20 points is all that separates these two teams. This has been a great game, people. We got Trixie back here putting on the jam with Eddie for Floodwaters. And let's be honest, number 1 team for Rockford. Inside 14, you can pull out all the shots for this last possible jam.
This will be the best jam of the night, I think. Be a hard jam. A lot of 20 points. And it's coming down the line.
Get out there fast and quick and keep Rockford to get the jammer.
Here we go. And dance down the line. Up here, we're going to try hard to do it as quick as they can.
Good for the jammer crowd. That is tough. They are really trying to keep jamming for getting out. Jammers are out. Right side by side. 21 seconds of regulation. Oh, they cut the jam off. We got 13 seconds of regulation. 5 seconds of regulation.
Fucked it up. Time out, Buster.
that final?
That's a
That's a final. They could not get another jam underway. The head ref says that is a final. Rockford underway is 2:34.
Look, Walker.
2:13.